Still keeping an eye on a severe storm threat as we go through the night. A new severe thunderstorm watch, shaded here in orange, has been issued for southeast Kentucky. Through 6 o'clock in the morning, the light blue shading west of our area, that's a tornado watch, which goes until 3 a.m. Central Time or 4 a.m. Eastern Time. Remember, watches means conditions are favorable, that they could happen. When a warning is issued, that's when it is happening, imminent, and you need to take shelter. Let me take a look at the radar here. We do have the storms that have been forming now in a line from Middle Tennessee up through Kentucky. Every yellow flashing box you see, those are severe thunderstorm warnings, and the red ones are tornado warnings, like near Bowling Green and one near the Nashville metro area as we speak. In fact, we can get a little bit closer to this. You can see this pink flashing box. That's a tornado being reported now just northwest of the Dixon area. So this is still well to our west, but we'll watch this whole line push eastward as we go over the next several hours and into early morning. Timing really hasn't changed much from what we've been thinking throughout the weekend. About 2 to 5 a.m. areas to the east, or 1 to 4 Central Time. About 4 to 7 across the Central Valley, and 5 to 8 areas to the east. These storms should weaken some in intensity as they slide to the east, but I still don't want everybody to let their guard down. It's okay to go to bed. That's fine. Just make sure you do have multiple ways you can get alerts in case some are issued. 6 predictor again giving us an idea. This is 1 o'clock, showing some of those storms just to our north and west. We'll see them move across the plateau portions of southeast Kentucky. This is 4 a.m. and then push off towards the east by the time we get to about 6 o'clock through the rest of the morning commute at 8. Shear rate product. This kind of shows where the potential for some rotation could occur in some storms, and we are seeing at least a little bit across our plateau and Kentucky counties through 2 a.m. and some other areas as well, as you see, going all the way towards daybreak. That's why I say the tornado threat may be on the low to medium side, not zero though, so we do need to watch for that. Biggest impact potential is going to be some damaging wind gusts, could be some hail. I'm not looking for large hail like 2-3 inch, but maybe some 1 inch or smaller size hail. So basically any type of severe weather mode is possible as we go through the night. So again, as I say, just have multiple ways you can get alerts. One of the best ways, download our free weather app just by searching Knoxville Weather in the Apple App Store or in Google Play. Another thing I want to point out, as we go through the day on Monday, our morning round moves out, but as we go into the afternoon, notice between lunchtime and say mid-afternoon, another couple of storms are trying to pop up. That's the actual cold front itself pushing into the area. That could spark off a few more scattered storms. Most likely not severe, but could have some very small hail with those. Then things quiet down as we head into Monday evening. It's going to be a busy week. Wednesday, there's a risk for some severe storms back towards the north and west, and especially middle and west Tennessee. And even Thursday, much the same thing. It's going to be an active week coming up. Doesn't mean we're going to see storms every day, but there will be a potential. It's going to be warm as well, with temperatures climbing in the low to mid 80s. One thing we will notice, though, big area of high pressure sets up shop just to our east, and it could block some of these storms from pushing all the way through. So we will have to watch the second half and the weekend forecast very carefully next week on this big high pressure system moving in, with so many events going on coming up this weekend, including the Knoxville Marathon. But we'll keep you updated overnight, and we'll have an update on sports with you coming up after the break. Stay with us.